in the friendly confines of a Gen 3 iconic silver Ford Raptor right here at Wild Willows at Aikens. Early morning, it is the 14th of December, and real deal was going to go work out, but I saw that our guys knocked out Chad's build on iconic silver. Great customer that so graciously trusted in us with his vehicle that he didn't buy here. That's what we want to tell you guys, that you don't have to buy it from Aikens. Obviously we want to. We feel like you get the best overall experience, price, etc. by dealing with us at Aikens and Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia. But we love for you to bring them to us because we get to put the Wild Willies touch on it, INDORAPTOR style. Let's go. Y'all are going to truly love this one. And you know I'm still pissed off about this beauty not being available in the Gen 3 via Race Red, but my Raptor is going to be done any day now. And so I'm in this great customer's iconic silver. And I must say, once you see the outside, you're going to know, just like I did when I saw it this morning, that everything is going to be all right, because we got a diamond right here. So you step out and you see that silver and it just hits different. You just want to go, yes. Let's review. Seeing the iconic silver Gen 3 Raptor helps me so much to understand and know that I'm going to be okay with this iconic silver versus my Race Red. Yes, I'm still torp about that, but seeing finally for the first time a paint matched INDORAPTOR right here at Wild Willies at Aikens, y'all, everything's going to be all right. Up front, let's go over it, y'all. So you know you got that grill that has that gray look to it. It's got that off-road vibe to it. Did some different variations here. Great job by Chad and all of our staff here at Wild Willies in kind of visioning how to do and what to do with this one. So we did up front, this top bar here and this bottom bar typically goes black, but did that body color and did gloss black on your honeycomb grill and obviously your Ford letters outlined in the iconic silver there. Just a different rendition. It's great to know and see different takes on our INDORAPTOR paint package. And basically the theory is running that iconic silver across the top into the actual headlight as well, doing the headlight instead of keeping it black, doing the iconic silver all the way down the perimeter. I really love that. Kept the inside portions black. This here is actually comes chrome from the factory, so the iconic silver in there. So see if you can look again right here as how the border perimeter of your grill, bottom portion silver, runs in silver, and then silver all the way around with the lettering. And then also down here at the bottom, this honeycomb grill usually goes gloss black or just stays the normal color that it comes from the factory, but also did that silver with your bump pads that are normally texture black to silver. Just a unique different rendition and take. This actually has, especially once you see these portions up top, the heat extractor is a texture black, did that body color. This usually goes gloss black, and then just correlating your Raptor there on the side, and then your side gills or heat extractors black with silver there. So this is a more of a street vibe Raptor, if I could say it. Typically most of the time on your off-road vehicles, they have a nice contrast of a lot of blacks via texture or gloss black with body color. This one has a slightly more street vibe to it. So if any of y'all that are watching this, you may be wanting to comment, this is a SEMA street vibe Raptor. Well, yeah it is, but there's nothing wrong with that, y'all. It's about just what the customer wants and doing things slightly different to be more unique and original. That's what we're about here at Wild Willies Custom Accessories, y'all. I love it. And then obviously you can tell front bumper did body color, and your side fenders body color as well. To me, that makes a huge difference because you know, going with the Fuel Rebel wheel in this color, it could work. You know, this works on not doing any paint matching, but definitely doing the paint match on your fenders, rear cladding, and bumper and other components. This side shot right here, y'all. I got the sun shining bright this morning. Woo-wee. And you know, you've seen the videos a lot, the water tower, we're right below it over here on the side lot here at Aikens. And we did a more conservative tire size, but we did do a RPG perch collar level kit, the most legit way to run a level setup, and it looks great. And we're 35, 12.5, 20 on Fuel Rebels. This is the +1 offset, so mild to wild scale, we're going from tucked in under the fender to sticking out still a good 2 inches. I love this stance. To me, this +1, 0, -1, and then going to a maximum, I guess, of -12, -18 is kind of that sweet spot, in my opinion, of a great overall Raptor stance. So the 315 70-17 is slightly not as tall as this actual tire size here, so stayed conservative on the tire size, but it still looks great, gives you full articulation and off-road capability. And the new Fox shocks, boom, are so legit, with your 5-link in the rear and coil spring now at all the glory. And look at this shot right here with the sun hitting it. Oh man. Out back, our typical Raptor taillight combo kit, keeping the light emitting parts legal, doing a little border perimeter on your daytime running light. And out back, I gotta look, you know, sometimes I don't get the right lighting, so I'm not gonna do it today. I'm gonna turn this bad boy around so you can see all the glory of this rear applique. Stubby antenna, which looks great, and under the hood you still have the 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost at 450 horsepower, and helping with that is the K&N cold air intake. Your factory intake has little diversion tubes everywhere that just hinder and constrict power and air intake, so a great benefit is to go cold air. Much better. Did a nice custom job on the third brake light. We got the rolling lock E-Series. There's no tab right there to release. That's the easy way to notate the E-Series, so it's a power option on that. And you got the trombone style equal length exhaust system with different exhaust modes. And listen to it just percolating right here, sounding real good, y'all. Don't be hating on the EcoBoost. I know we all want the V8, but still, this is an impressive power plant, and you can make it sound good, especially loving the factory new exhaust options. Now on the back, just a nasty tail end. Look how clean that looks, y'all. So going from that textured grayish black color, nothing wrong with that whatsoever, but when you definitely INDORAPTOR paint package it, it's next level. You know how we do. F-150 is a slight variation, doing a little stencil on the F-150 there, and did body color. This is all painted too, just to notate, this is a painted border perimeter on there, no sticker at all, and then same for the Raptor logo. That just looks amazing. Now we love Rappy graphics, tough skins, Rocky Mountain graphics as well, but we just know and trust in the paint process as far as integrity and longevity throughout. I got a forward bed liner in it also, but a quick and easy one. There's many other videos. I'll put some cards up top as well as in the description below to check out more detailed information on the specs of the Gen 3 Raptor. But today was just about my excitement of finally seeing a iconic silver truly done up in INDORAPTOR paint package, leveled on 35s. It's got me ready for mine. So thanks so much for watching, y'all. You know we love our Fox shocks as well, and the Fox shocks in this bad boy are about to hit the road, and we can't wait to hear from our customer how many double takes he gets going down the road, and compliments from customers on his next level INDORAPTOR right here at Wild Wizard Akins. Peace out.